Is buidleir na Mary Wallopers agus tá sibh ag éisteach le Raidió na Lifa. Céad is a sé punk a car, Cuisle na cara.
I have won a hero's name with McAlpine and Costain, with Fitzpatrick, Murphy, Ash and Wimpy's gang. I've been often on the road, on my way to draw the dole, when there's nothing left to do for Johnny Lang. And I used to think that God made the mixer pick on hod, so that Paddy might know hell above the ground. I've had gangers big and tough tell me tear it all out rough when you're building up and tearing England down. I remember Carrier Jack, he wore a hod upon his back, and he swore one day he'd set the world on fire. And his face we've never seen since his shovel it cut clean through the middle of a big high tension wire. And I saw Ball McCall from the big flyover fall into a concrete mixer spinning round. Though it was not his intent, he gained a fine head of cement when he was building up and tearing England down. I was on the hydro dam the day that Pat McCann got the better of his stammer in a week. He fell from the shuttering jam, and that poor old stuttering man, he was never ever more inclined to speak. And no more like Robin Hood will he roam through Cricklewood or dance around the pubs of Camden Town. Oh, well, let no man complain that no navvy dies in vain when he's building up and tearing England down. In a tunnel underground, a young Limerick man was found. He was built into the new Victoria line. And when the bonus gang had passed, sticking through the concrete cast was the face of little Charlie Joe Devine. And the ganger man McGurk said Big Paddy ate the work when a gas pipe burst and he flew off the ground. Well, this where he said don't slack, it won't be long until I'm back. Keep on building up and tearing England down. So come all you navvies bold who do think that English gold is just waiting to be plucked from every sod, or that the likes of you and me will ever get an OB or a knighthood for good service to the hod. They've a concrete master race there to keep you in your place, and a ganger man to kick you to the ground. If you ever try to take part of what the bosses make when you're building up and tearing England down. If you ever try to take part of what the bosses make when you're building up and tearing England. There you go. There's the song.
Beautiful.